Hi, I'm Sharon. I'm the owner operator of Honeyglow Spray Tanning Studio. We are a tanning only studio on the North Shore of Sydney in Killara. We're open 7 days a week here, and we love to tan. If you haven't been to our studio before, this is our waiting area. Lots of colour. We love yellow, we love blue. We have the latest magazines to read while you're waiting. We have our giant yellow dividing wall, which is made from Lego bricks, plastic Lego bricks. We have our after tanning products here available. We have a lot of our clients are mums. We welcome children to our studio. We have a special play area just for them. We have Lego bricks, train tracks, bananagrams, colouring in books, you name it. We love having children at Honeyglow. Entrance to our tanning room, where we have our state-of-the-art tanning pod, some sticky feet there to keep your feet clean, 3 extraction fans to take away the excess tanning solution, lights so we can see well. We have our tanning gun and compressor there for high volume work. We have our little airbrush and compressor for contour tanning, which we specialise in here at Honeyglow. A nice little area for you to get changed in, a mirror to see your tan, and that's Honeyglow. We hope to see you soon.